Amazon just built something into Seller Central that nobody's even talking about yet. It's an AI tool that will generate your entire listing for you. Your title, your bullets, your description. It'll even go through other things. It only takes about 60 seconds to do. And I'm gonna be the first person to tell you, I would be the one that says, it sounds like garbage. I literally thought that exact same thing. So I tested it out and I went head to head against DataDive, which I believe is one of the best and most trusted tools out there. And the results actually surprised me. Okay, so stick around because whether you're a seasoned seller or you're just getting started, this one matters. I'm gonna tell you what you should do by the end of this video. So real quick, if you're new here, I'm Nick. I built and exited an 8-figure CPG brand on Amazon. Now I run Revive Marketing Partners, where we help better for you brands grow on Amazon the right way. I test the tools so you don't have to waste your time figuring out what is worth using. Today, I'm testing Amazon's new AI listing enhancement feature, and we're gonna do it live on a real product with real data. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So here's the game plan. We're going to take one product and run it through two different processes. Process one, the way we actually do it at Revive. We're going to find the top competitors. We're going to go into the category and run them through DataDive. We're going to pull out the best keywords and build a listing around that data. Process two, we're going to let Amazon's AI do this. The same product, zero manual research, just Amazon suggestions straight out of the box. AI has changed dramatically, and I'm going to compare these two side by side, and we're going to see who wins. Fair fight. You ready? Let's go. All right, so first thing, we're going to jump right in here into Amazon, and we're going after sneaker cleaners, okay? So we're going to add all of these up to the DataDive, okay? So we've already gone through and added this one, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the exact products that are very, very similar to these products that we could be competing against. So we'll add this one right here. We'll add this right here. We'll add this one right here. And even that are very, very similar, if not the exact same as what we're currently doing. So we're gonna add that one, really, really cheap price. We're gonna add a number of these other ones. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the DataDive. And so what you'll do here is you'll be able to go here, go to the ASIN tray. We can create this, create a new niche. I've already done this one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here and we're going to see the different products, where they are, all of that. Right here, we'll be able to see the products, their revenue, all the different data, their cost per clicks, and all of the data necessary. When we look at this one, our score is 78,000. If you go into the listing builder, and you can see right away, the top one here is 78,000 is what we're at. We've built an incredible listing. We're ranking at the top. I'm not going to show you the other ones because it's pretty crazy what you're going to see here in a second, but it is legitimately great. These are the keywords in here that I'd actually want to be in my title and my bullets. These are very, very exact, and it is what actually converts. All right, so let's run. Let's go in and see what Amazon has. So we're going to view these enhancements right here. We go into the Seller Central. We're going to pull up the listing. We're going to edit the listing. And then you're going to see this button down here, Enhance Listing. And just like this, you're going to give it a little bit of time. And very quickly, you're going to see that this is completely done already. What we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste each one of these. And for the sake of time in this video, I've already done this for us. So we're going to go in here, paste these in as the different bullets. What's cool is we're sitting at 78,000. We're already winning. We know we're winning from a DataDive. However, this takes a lot of practice, learning, years of experience. So what we always want to do is double check the listings first. If there's anything that is not accurate, because Amazon and the AI is not always perfect. It knows your product, but it does not know your product like you do. So you've got to pull all the different patterns of what you actually know, your understanding, what makes your product different. Now, here's the part that makes me laugh a little bit. Amazon's AI tool isn't even staying within Amazon's own character limits, right? This one has more than it should be. Amazon not following Amazon rules. Sounds like typical Amazon. I mean, okay, moving on. Here's the moment of truth. Ready? We're going to look over here and we're going to see where we find this new listing. Look at this, number 2. We stack up both of our listings, the DataDive optimized version versus the AI generated version, and we run the comparison. Now, ours still came out on top. No surprise there, okay? We've put a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of energy into stuff like this. However, what is so wild here is that with a click of a button in 30 seconds, if you've never done Amazon before, you can very quickly hop in here, and the AI listing is coming in number 2. Best listing in the category. On the first try, no optimizations, no keyword research, no manual work whatsoever. So think about this for a second. Amazon's AI basically created a top 2 listing in the category from scratch in under a minute. And that is not nothing. So here's the takeaway from this. If you're a seasoned seller running active campaigns with a real ad budget, data dive is still the move, okay? The precision that you're getting from pulling the actual keyword data, understanding your competitive set, and building a listing around that research fully is going to outperform generic AI output. Specifically, generic AI output. Put enough information into your listing so that it understands all of the things that you need to know. But, and this is a big but, if you're a new brand, new to Amazon, launching your first product, if you genuinely don't know where you should start with your listing copy, what you need to do within the listing, Amazon's AI is actually for real. It's no longer a joke. It used to be a complete joke. And you can go right into Seller Central, let the AI build out your listing, and come out with something that's actually competitive from day one. How crazy is this? This shift is massive compared to where we were 12 months ago. This is keeping the beginners really, really low, and the wealth and the good and the great sellers out there way, way, way better. You've got to stay on top of this. So the bar is getting higher for everybody. Do not keep with the low standards of what many people already have. The bottom line, guys, Amazon's AI is not replacing your research process, but it is also not useless anymore. And that's worth knowing. If you want to see exactly how we run our full data dive keyword research process at Revive, I'll link the video up here. And if you're working with a CPG or supplement brand doing real volume on Amazon, you want to talk strategy or volume, I'm going to put a link in the description that you can chat with me. So go ahead, drop a comment and tell me, are you using any AI tools for Amazon? Anything for your listing? I want to know what's actually working for you. I want to dive deeper. I want to give you guys the full in-depth idea of what actually works.